Right, so I think this is called the White Temple in Pai. So apparently there's a lot of steps, so let's have fun.
Big. My ass. Yeah, I mean, go more. It's fine. I love Tyson. That's a good shout. Yeah, also I go crazy like roughing. Oh, I don't use that. Yeah, but like, oh, I don't mind roughing it. Yeah. What cops? Please don't warn me.
Here we are at the hot springs. Yoo-hoo! At Sai Nam. Well, it's obviously a missing N there. Actual Mineral Spring. Yeah. Wildlife Conservation Office. Cool. Oh wow, lots of people. Lots of people in there having a little dip. Oh wow. What a place. Oh yeah, you can add little stones to... I wonder what's so special about that bit rather than that bit. Or this bit, or this bit. I guess you just don't want to bathe in other people's things, I guess. Piss. Yeah. It's warm. No, not hot. It's not a hot spring, it's a warm spring today. Yeah. Oh, he's got the GoPro. I'm recording, you have to Left my t-shirt at the waterfall, at the hot springs.
Why wouldn't you just tie it?
I did try and tie it, but it's too big, too small. I think this is called Bamboo Village. Bamboo Village? Bamboo Village.
Like for clothes.
Tuck it in.
Yeah, mannequin.
Not too sure what this is, but it's some kind of tourist attraction. I left my t-shirt at the hot spring.
I left my trousers.
So this is my
You left your trousers? Oh no.
不掉个钥匙先嘞。
Quite peaceful actually around here. Nice. It's big fishies. Hungry. Eating food. Ooh. Oh no, they must do pony rides here. Which I don't particularly agree with. And archery is quite cool. And it looks like shooting as well. Huh. I love the landscape's unreal. So nice. Could look at it all day. You don't really get the scale of it, you know, on camera of course, but huge mountains in the distance. Very cool. Oh, it's crossbow. Huh. Not archery. Down here. And you got BBs. Very realistic BBs. Shooting. Maybe I should do it. Can I do this one, Cup? Yeah, how much? 50 baht. Okay. Yeah, no problem. Quite hefty BBs.
不可以的，摸了，不可以的。在那里照，可以吗？你拿着这个纸写字，好吗？写字。
Jojo berries. What are they called?
I think they're similar to goji berries.
But goji berries are
goji berries are way smaller.
Yeah, they are way smaller, but I think goji berries are dried. They have a pit in the middle.
it's nice.
It's nice.
Just eat it. I like it. Don't you like it?
Very bland. No, I don't really like them. I think so. Not my favourite thing in the world.
She said it's like a superfood. Like
Oh yeah, 100. Definitely a superfood, but
She said eat 5 or 6 a day, so let's eat 5 or 6 a day and see if we try.
长的，长的。
yeah.
过来的，过来的。
Pistol time. Let's see how good my aim is. I'm going to do one of these. I think there's already one on there though. That. Let's see. That's mine there. This one. You won't be able to see the baby seeing it there. Not too bad.
要写的，不要走
There,
啊
there, 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 there. Up here, up here.
快过来
Up here, up here, here.
来，二姨妈给你看电话来，过来。
There.
Wow. And also, like, there's no one at the horse. Where was the no one on the horse? Yeah. ¿De dónde es? ¿Seitano?
C'est la bienvenue que ce matin le scooter a ouvert Voilà. Yeah, baby. Cool. Not the best waterfall I've ever seen, but like the one from the other day. Nice enough. Got a smoke from that barbecue. Right, so we've got to go up those steps for the sunset 5:45. So I'm going to head up there, and apparently it's some kind of canyon thing called a canyon. So we'll see. See you up there.
I thought they were waiting for us and I just
Don't want to fall down there. Look at this. Jeez. People are scared of heights, don't want to do this one. Surely someone's fallen down there. Wow. Wow, it goes on and on, doesn't it? Fucking hell. Can't go that way, can you now? Whoa! Fuck that.
Can you wait for my moment? Yeah. You can go. The other one's still on top.
Ooh. It's pretty savage. No health and safety here.
Gehen die anderen nicht rum? Gehen die
So
rum?
I'll try and go along the way. Possibly over there. Looks pretty scary, but we'll give it a go. So I just came from over there. Quickly, just a little path down here, and then look at this one and see which one's going to be the best for capturing the sunset, which will be happening soon. This is such a cool place. I love it. It's fucking insane. All these little paths and canyons, so cool. Wow, it goes on and on. No way. Wow. You're joking. Oh, fuck that. Ooh. Jesus. No health and safety. Oh. Nah. That's like death. Jesus. Wow. Vlogging, and then I'll do a time lapse on my phone.
What do you call your fans? What's your name?
Hold on, because
What's your name?
link in with Lincoln. So that's just my YouTube name. This is some proper dodgy stuff, I tell you that. No health and safety, no regulations, no one's looking out for anyone. It's just like sheer. Look at that drop, like far out. This is proper dodgy. Scary stuff. I'm gonna try and do a time lapse on my mobile in a minute. Oh, I'm gonna go back the other way. Wow. Looks like a good spot to do it, maybe. That's how I've got my phone set up for the time lapse. Oh.
Benzos, I'm describing benzos to people, which is fucked to me.
Yeah.
You break your arm, you're on that for 2 weeks, you're fucking hooked.
Yeah.
Like that.
Maybe.
So do some research.
Yeah,
What's
to
the
ask
mushrooms
around.
today?
Ask
Can you
around.
find them here easily?
I got some. You
Nice.
can get a shake, but apparently they rip you off, so I went
Right.
Right. She was like bleeding off the edge.
Literally, you feel that and you're like, if I hit
Woohoo. Nice one, guys.
Cheers, brother.
I'll see you around.
Yes, sir.
So I met those guys on Koh Tao Island when I was doing my visa extension. And I was like, he was like, I recognise you. And he's got a drone, so he get some really cool shots. Mental, like 10 kilometers, drone, 4K. Really mental. What a cool thing to have. Ah, tribal man. He's got his branch. Ah, beautiful. Right, back we go. Dodgy. Sorry.
Is that your drone?
It's not mine, that's the guys over there. They're all the way over there. There might be, yeah. Oh, there is. How do you feel about being in Thailand?
Oh, great, thank you.
Do you?
Yeah.
How is this experience for you?
What are you doing?
Interviewing you.
What about what? About my experiences in Thailand.
Yes.
I've only been here a week, but it's been very nice so far, thank
Has it?
you. It has indeed.
Whoa.
Okay, seriously.
Serious. God. But no, that's good. We're having a great time out here in Thailand, in Pai Canyon.
Actually here last night.
They were actually here last night,
And was it all about? No, I'm joking. It's so nice.
and it was sucked apparently. No, what's better? Does it get better than this, or is this it?
To be honest, yesterday it was genuinely like
Red.
an hour in your face, yeah.
Ah.
But it gets.
I think if the darker it gets, the better it gets, isn't it? As it's touching the horizon, it gets quite bold,
How long have you been?
bold colours. I've been here for almost 2 months.
Wow.
Yeah.
Just in Thailand or in?
Just in Thailand. I was in the pool before. Yeah.
Did you base camp?
No, I didn't do any trekking. I'm too
I used to. We were running with these people and they. Well,
much
I don't
of
know
a
if they're going to do it anymore.
too weak in the lungs to do trekking, unfortunately. It's the altitude. I just can't
Yeah, I know.
can't hack it. It's not nice. Don't crash. Potted the white ball.
Anytime she goes away. Times of trouble, but a man has come to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my heart of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be, let it be.
Swadika. สวัสดีค่ะ สักยันต์ไทยสไตล์นี่ มินินี่9 ยอดมินิ
Yeah. Spiritual. There's your good stuff. Spiritual book. Thai designs. Get some good, better light. I am going to be getting a Thai dish on my belly to join my pineapple and my slice of bread. It's going to be pad see ew in Thai, which is like that noodle dish, and chicken and vegetables, which I always get. So I thought it was quite funny. Going to get it in Thai, and a girl I'm going on the cab with tomorrow to back to Chiang Mai. She's getting pad Thai on her foot, so it's quite funny. We just mentioned it to each other, and she was like, "Yeah, I'm getting food." I was like, "No way." So am I. So I thought we'd do it now, get it out of the way. But yeah, Blue Zone tattoo. We're getting bamboo done. My first bamboo. I've had many stick and pokes, but it's my first bamboo, so should be cool. This is really highly rated, and they did us a really good price as well. So shout out to Blue Zone Tattoo. Big up.
Yeah. Oh, okay. After you finish. So we come back. Oh, snap.
Oh, snap.
That's for that one? It's 3.
Oh, no, 3. Because I already won already, right? So
Okay. So we come back 8,000 dollars.
he wants the...
Hiding! Hiding! Oh, hiding! Oh! Bash my knee. Swadika! Swadi! gonna call you Pad Thai girl. Can you get it?
Sorry. It's a reflex.
Yeah, don't move. He's almost done. Yeah.
Yes, it's a reflex.
I think that took about 5 minutes.
Okay. And you.
Okay, my turn.
Keep you.
Woo!
Name Nui.
Yeah.
The bed in Thai.
Hatsuyu and Pad Thai. Foodies. Got it done. Yeah. Okay. They give you the bamboo stick that it stabs you with. Yeah. Sticker. And obviously some vitamin cream for healing. Woo!